for another Talk About It Tuesday. And this is a very, very important question for people who are seeking financial freedom. I kind of get this question a lot, actually, when people are afraid of what's going to happen when they quit their job. So here's the question. Can you discuss how to secure medical or dental insurance when you are financially free? That's a very interesting question and a huge fear. Now, first of all, everyone needs medical insurance, right? Because if something major happens, if you have a serious accident, or you have a serious illness, or you need major surgery, something that's cost prohibitive in regards to you just putting some money away, you definitely need insurance. But it's interesting, you already pay for insurance if you have a job. It's just that you didn't budget for it, right? Somebody took the money out of your check before you got it, and then they gave you the rest. And when you're making passive income, you have to budget for everything. So the same way you would budget for car insurance, the same way you would budget for homeowners insurance, you have to budget for health insurance. So instead of somebody taking it out ahead of time for you, you have to, actively put money aside for the premium. Now, a big fear is if you have a job, it will always be cheaper because they pool, they give them a rate based on the pool of people that they have. There are ways for you to get around that because there are some professional organizations that will allow you to join in with a group. And depending on what you do, you have to actually seek that out. But there are health insurance companies that are friendly to self-employed people or people who get passive income. Blue Cross Blue Shield, Cigna, United Healthcare, Kaiser. Like these are some of the top companies that cater to people who are financially free. But there's always the exchange. And so if you go to healthcare.gov, right, under the Affordable Care Act, you can definitely find health insurance. Now, the good thing is it can be subsidized based on your income if you go to healthcare.gov. And as a financially free person, you get to dictate your salary. So or your income. So you can actually put your income at a place where it's affordable for you. The other good thing about being financially free, if you set yourself up properly, if you have corporate structures, and you should, in your corporate bylaws, you can have a medical reimbursement plan for you, right? And what that means is that monthly premium would come directly from the corporation's income. And why is it better that it comes directly from the corporation as opposed to you? Because it is a tax deduction for the corporation. So, definitely get insurance. There's definitely opportunity for you to get insurance. It's not something you should be afraid of, not a reason why you should stay on a job as opposed to being financially free. You can definitely do it, and talk to your tax person about setting up, the medical reimbursement plan for your corporation. And just look at those companies that I mentioned, again, Cigna, Kaiser, United Healthcare, Blue Cross Blue Shield, and go to healthcare.gov and really look and see what's the best one for you and your family, right? And make it happen. So that's not really an issue if you want to be financially free and you have to pay for insurance. But I love the question. If you have some comments, if somebody else has some other resources, definitely please put it in, the comment section. If you like it, give me some type of feedback and keep the questions coming, and I'll see you next Tuesday.